I'm still crazy. I'm crazy. Still you crazy about you. I know you moved on. You got a new family. I heard you got 3 kids. And they say your oldest boy looks like me. I heard that you're doing good on your job. You got a promotion, but I hope that man is treating you good, giving you love and devotion. But oh, baby, I'm still crazy. I'm still crazy about you, baby.